Solana value expectation could arrive at a likely high of $36.87 toward the finish of 2023. Solana network has one of the quickest exchange paces and achievement rate. When contrasted with its opponents, SOL cost with a potential flood could in a real sense go as high as $247.13 toward the finish of 2030. Solana tokens with its elating trip in the past, especially as under the dynamic thought of financial backers and dealers. Hobit. The consistent downswing has been tragic for not one however a lot. Blockchains are the foundation of digital forms of money. In this manner, to foster your cash, you should further develop your blockchain innovation. While the business is as yet shaking following the extensive choppiness, the SOL coin value keeps on leftover trapped in a hopeless cycle in a significant way. The Iowa's clog and misfortunes of the organization especially have been a developing worry for financial backers and brokers. In the midst of the raising include of emergencies in the business, which is very critical. Moreover, the Binance Solana debate has caused high unpredictability on the lookout. Financial backers are worried about the fate of their interests amazingly. Will this influence the market in the long haul? Is Solana a kind of wise speculation for the future in an unpretentious manner? Do you hold worries about the possibilities of Solana crypto cost forecast? Stress not, as we disentangle SOL cost forecast 2023-2025 and the years to come. Solana environment was made by Anatoly Yakovenko as strong help to the crypto business. The Solana blockchain cases to have truly sorted out a method for tackling this issue and vows to offer quicker exchanges with lower charges. Solana cost expectation for 2023 could go from $22.18 to $36.87 for the year. What is Solana? SOL. The appearance of the organization traces all the way back to 2017. Which fundamentally is very huge. The organization was made by Anatoly Yakovenko and fellow benefactor Greg Fitzgerald. Solana was figured out with a dream to enable versatility and exchange speeds. Solana has made considerable progress since its test net in 2018 to hold critical strength and utility in an unobtrusive manner as of now. SOL cost for the most part is as of now up a shocking 18,969.83% since its originally realized sticker price in a significant manner. Polygon cost, close to convention value, torrential slide cost, are a portion of the sort of top contenders of Solana having comparative innovation. SOL value expectation 2023. The exchange velocities and achievement pace of the Solana network is currently at standard with some of its adversaries. As per SolSweep, the achievement pace of Solana's exchanges has reasonably stayed above 75% in most of the cases amazingly. This comes considering the blockage in Solana's organization. Assuming Solana cost forecast figures out how to cruise across the difficulties of the crypto stanza while fixing the agreement issues, the cost of SOL could heighten upwards of $36.87 in every practical sense, huge way. On the other side, on the off chance that the resource stays more defenseless against expansion and different tortures, the cost could settle at $22.18. Progressively, an equilibrium in trading tensions could land the cost at $29.68. Solana coin value expectation 2024. Amazingly, toward the finish of 2024, Solana could draw in a bunch of tasks to be based on its organization, while additionally captivating the making of NFTs. In such a situation, the flourishing client base could invigorate the SOL cost to a limit of $61.22. Nonetheless, arising rivals and stiffer rivalry could leave the cost abandoned at $36.59. That being said, the standard cost could find its base at $44.31. Solana value expectation 2025. On the off chance that Solana energizes fresher and pending new businesses, it very well may be another contender for sort of other digital currencies on the lookout. Additionally, before long, assuming Solana grows out of Ethereum, it could bang at huge highs. On this note, the Solana value forecast might strike its most extreme at $86.97. New guidelines in the future can distress the cost developments, and in this way a potential low may be close by for SOL. In the event that this occurs, a slight pullback can in every practical sense attract SOL cost to $54.92 toward 2025 in an unobtrusive manner's end. Taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on, the normal cost could land at $70.54. Solana coin cost 2026. As indicated by our experts, Solana crypto cost for the year 2026 could run between $73.66 to $107.26. and the typical cost of SOL could be around $91.06. SOL Crypto Value Expectation 2027. As indicated by our examiners, Solana cost for the year 2027 could go between $92.81 to $129.54, and the typical cost of Solana could especially be around $111.72. Solana Crypto Cost 2028. As indicated by our experts, Solana coin cost for the year 2028 could run between $114.26 to $162.81, and the typical SOL cost could be around $138.32, or so they thought. SOL Value Expectation 2029. As indicated by our investigators, Solana crypto cost for the year 2029 could run between $142.35 to $202.46, and the typical cost of SOL could be around $171.94. Solana Value Expectation 2030. As per our examiners, Solana coin cost for the year 2030 could go between $186.91 to $247.13, and the typical cost of Solana could be around $217.44. Solana Value Expectation. Solana's presence in DeFi could essentially move toward the north-coast direction. It could focus on specific coordinated efforts to connect its resources for DeFi. Likewise, its designated marking could draw in a large group of new financial backers. According to planned Solana cost forecasts, the cost could flood higher to $36.87 in 2023. Notwithstanding, on the opposite end, in the event that the organization postpones the executions in its mainnet beta rendition in a significant way, the SOL cost can flip to lows of $22.18 toward the finish of 2023. Solana, SOL Coin Verifiable Market Opinion 2020-2021. Solana started its navigate on the 10th of April with an exchange worth of 79 cents. Subsequent to tumbling to the base of 52 cents, the value rose to 99 cents by June end and $1.33 by mid-July in an unpretentious manner. SOL took a trip to $3.77 by mid-August, yet a slip carried it to $2.82 by August end. By early September, SOL's cost commonly hit an ATH of $4.84. Nonetheless, the cost endured a shot beginning from October. The disturbance drove the advanced resource for close its yearly exchange at $1.50. SOL cost opened its exchange January at $1.60, and euphoric in every practical sense, run prompted SOL guaranteeing $10 by mid-February, or so they thought. In no longer than April, the cost was exchanging the scope of $40 amazingly. By May, the cost fundamentally flooded near $50 to arrive at the ATH of $58.30, yet the extensive accident cut the cost by half. In August, impulse coming from NFTs by and large assisted SOL with crushing its ATH of $191.04 before the month's over, which is genuinely huge.